Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a double oven. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my rather new double oven. My wife and I just got this not that long ago. We absolutely love it. We wanted to replace our old range with one that has a double oven. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, you might be considering a double oven that is like sort of mounted in a cabinet space. And that's going to be a little bit different than this, but the same concept is going to apply for using those as these right over here. So let's get right into the video. Essentially, when you look at your control panel, you're likely going to see options for your upper oven and your lower oven, okay? This is if you have a double oven that is connected to a range like this, okay? So you're gonna see options for your upper oven and your lower oven. And then you're gonna have to use these numbers on the number pad, as well as you have your upper oven control right over here, okay? And your lower oven control right over here, start and cancel for both of those. So let's just say I wanted to turn on the upper oven to bake, right? I would go and I would click bake over here, okay, and it's gonna say bake 350. We're gonna put in the temperature, so it says set temperature, or I'm not sure what it's gonna say next, or press start to do 350. Let's say I wanted 425, okay, which is a very common baking temperature. Now I'm gonna hit start on the upper oven, and right now the upper oven is preheating, okay? So the upper oven is being used. Now, a double oven has a lower oven as well. So let's say on the lower oven, I want it to bake as well, okay? But I want it to bake at a different temperature. So I pushed bake on the lower oven. Let's say I want it to bake at 325. I'd push 325. And when I'm ready to start with the lower oven, I'd hit start. On the lower oven, I hit start, okay? So that's how to use the double oven. Now, like I said, you can also do, at least with this oven over here, with this range, frozen bake, broil, keep warm for the upper oven in addition to bake. And you can also do broil, keep warm, convect on the lower oven in addition to bake. And right now they're preheating, as you can probably see. I can just open it up. You can kind of see that they're preheating. I hear the fan down here. You probably heard it just turn off right there. There's a fan down there. I got to clean this. Oh man, I didn't know it was that dirty. So they're preheating. And like I said, you can put whatever you want in the upper oven. In this case, the upper oven is slightly smaller than the lower oven. And then whatever you want in the lower oven down here. The lower oven in this one is basically a full-size oven, and the upper oven is slightly smaller. I love it because the upper oven heats up so fast, okay, preheats so fast, and the lower oven is big enough that you have lots of options for what you can put in there, and you can bake things at 2 different temperatures instead of trying to time it and letting something get a little too crispy and something else, a little bit not so crispy. You can bake at 2 separate temperatures. Like this one is 425 and that one is 325 right now, but they're both preheating. Now, whenever you want to turn them off, let's say you're finished baking, or you don't want to bake, you don't want them to be preheating or cooking anymore, you would hit cancel on either one. So if I want to cancel the upper oven only, I would hit cancel on the upper oven, and now you can see the upper oven is off, okay, and the lower oven is still preheating. And if I wanted to cancel the lower oven as well, I would cancel on the lower oven, and as you can see now, they are both off, and the fan that I was hearing before turned off on the lower oven as well. The upper oven, I believe, doesn't have a fan, does not in this case, but the lower oven does, as you can see back there, the convection. So I mean, at the end of the day, that's how to use a double oven. It's really simple. Even if you have a double oven that is sort of mounted in the wall on a cabinet space, like, somewhere up there or lower, whatever the case is, it's going to be very similar with regards to how to use it. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.